Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Koincart review. So what actually is Koincart? Guys, Koincart is an evolutionary app, sells any product with cryptocurrency checkout. Hands-free, make easy sales, helping small businesses sell products with cryptocurrency checkout, no crypto knowledge needed. Creator of this software, Koincart, Avi Devidi and Ben Mari. Who is Avi Devidi? Guys, Avi Devidi is the #1 software creator on JVZoo marketplace, and this software has already gone live 10th of August. Today I made this video 11th of August. Guys, I'm going to show you all the information about this software. This is my honest review. I highly recommend don't skip this video before watching the demo. Okay guys, I'm going to show you all the information. I'm going to show you pricing and upsells, all the OTOs that no one can share, this type of secret information guys that I am going to show you. Okay guys, this is my blog Passive Money University. I wrote the full review about this software Koincart here. Here is lots of information I put, like what is Koincart all about. Koincart is a first marketing technology that allows businesses anywhere to accept cryptocurrency as payment fast and easy. Here is lots of info you can see. I think this all information will help you to understand this software Koincart. That's why I put all the information for you. Okay guys, Koincart software works 4 simple steps actually. Here is the 4 simple steps, and here is the Koincart complete product overview. Here is you can see the front end price and all the information like discount code and the sales page, the official website, and money back guarantee. You can see everything, the overview of this product. And here is also the official demo video, and this is the creator, the top performance leader on JVZoo marketplace 2021. He is also the #1 vendor. 99,500 plus sales he got. Okay guys, and this software Koincart has already got 250 plus sales. Okay, that's why I promote this software, and 0% refund rate. People love this software. Okay, here is you can see guys Koincart features, what Koincart software can do for you. Why should you get Koincart? Koincart review pricing. Here is the pricing. You can see lots of OTOs this software, almost 7 OTOs this software, and OTOs price is very low, like $47. Okay guys, this is not a high price, this is the low price actually, and this is the opportunity because this is the launching time. You will get the price is very low this software. If you purchase later this software, price goes up. Okay guys, here is the, you can see the information, is it worth buying. Here is also you can see the testimonials, Koincart frequent asked question. This is very important before purchase this software. Koincart bonus package, this is my $3,745 bonus guys that I will give you totally free. I will give you my 30 exclusive bonuses, okay, that will change your life actually. I will give you lots of software, lots of marketing materials if you purchase this software through via my link. You know, I'm an affiliate, I promote this software because this software is legit. This software is perfect for small business owners. Okay, this software will help the business owners to get paid from cryptocurrency, and this software will increase your business, blast your business actually. And here is guys, you can see my 30 exclusive bonus, and I will also give you my special bonus, how to claim your bonus. All the information you can see on my blog Passive Money University. I highly recommend before leave this video, at first read the full review that I wrote here Passive Money University on my blog. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to jump the Koincart sales page, and right now I'm going to show you the demo that creator of this software, owner Ben Mari. He explained well, that's why I shared this demo guys. So stay tuned, attention please, and watch this video till the very end.
In this video, we're going to see how you can use Koincart to help small businesses anywhere accept cryptocurrency fast and easy as payment for products and services in a variety of ways. Not only is Koincart the first app to allow small businesses anywhere to accept multiple cryptocurrencies and stablecoins as payment in the most ways possible, all without tedious and complicated setup, but it actually goes far beyond that. This groundbreaking tool also builds modern Web3 style sites for businesses with done-for-you templates and hosting needed for better conversions today in business niches that are likely to want to accept crypto as payment. It's the first ever to auto-deliver products and memberships after crypto purchase with IPN technology, comes with advanced analytics and much more. To get started, log into the cloud-based app and let's create a product to sell and accept crypto payments for. This can be your own product or a product a small business owns that your agency is working with. Give your product a name, a quick description like this. Select payment type, meaning it will be a fixed price like $100, or give the option for the customer to pay any amount they want and set a minimum price they have to pay. Then we'll be taken to the product dashboard where we can begin customizing this product we want to sell. Select Edit and begin customizing. Enter any SKU number. Upload a product image. Choose if this is a digital product or a physical product that will need shipped to buyers. Now if it's a physical product, Koincart lets you customize the shipping information and tax info. Enter a thank you page customers will be taken to after payment, or choose to integrate your membership with the IPN feature. Koincart also comes with order bump technology, allowing you to showcase other products you sell at checkout. Then choose your template. Now if you don't have a nice, modern looking landing page to sell your product today, Koincart will provide you with one if you want. Or just embed the checkout widget on a sales page you already have created. Koincart comes loaded with tons of done-for-you product sales page templates and modern designs in all small business niches that are likely to want to accept cryptocurrency as payment for the products. For instance, help a local gym sell a streaming class or video training internationally. A physical products business sell their pet supplies with crypto and massively save on fees. A consultant book clients in developing nations that don't have traditional payment processors, and far more. We can preview what the site will look like, then click the check mark to choose it. Then choose how we want to accept crypto payment. Koincart integrates with all the most trusted and newest crypto payment gateways, with more being added each week. You can connect multiple accounts and assign which client the payment gateway will be assigned to. You can help businesses accept cryptocurrency by allowing customers to send crypto to a specific wallet address, or check out with a third-party service that holds their cryptocurrency, like with our Crypto.com wallet integration. Now we did this so your customer can feel safer checking out and choose the way they want to hold their cryptos and exchange them, thus helping your store increase crypto checkout conversions. Depending on what crypto payment option you select, you can accept popular cryptos such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, or stablecoins such as USDT that reflect the value of the US dollar. Not only that, but customers can choose to check out with credit card and traditional fiat currency too if they decide they don't want to spend their coins. So let's select our services and continue to SEO. Enter an SEO title and description to help rankings and metadata when our product gets shared, and fill out additional settings. You can add any pay-per-click scripts or retargeting scripts. Choose to have ad pixels fire after purchase. Close the checkout after a certain number of products are sold. This is essential for physical products. Add our own custom domain. Now, Koincart will host your modern sales page on our servers, the dedicated subdomain, but if you want, you can use your own domain too. You can make sure everything is working by leaving it in sandbox mode and test it out, or turn it on live to accept payments, and then hit save. Okay, awesome. Now before we're able to start selling, it's time to quickly customize our sales page. Click the button and hit Page Design. You'll be taken to the drag and drop easy page builder to begin customizing our sales page however you want. Okay, great. Now we're in the drag and drop builder. As you can see, it's loaded with our sales page and everything is point and click easy to customize to however we want. First, you can click this button to view each section of the sales page. You can turn each section on or off like this, and reorder sections like this. Move each part up or down the page. Also, we can add more sections, duplicate sections like this, and delete sections very easily. Okay, then we can begin editing the text, images, and colors. Just point and click to change anything you want. You can edit the text like this. And at any time, click the paint icon to change the style of it. For example, change the position. Or change the actual font style, for example. It's very easy to insert images or change images out to new ones too. Simply double-click on the image you want to change and upload your own one in place of it. Double-click on any button to edit it. You can change the color, add a link, preview our page for desktop, tablet, or mobile, and everything is auto-saved as we work. Okay, great. Now our product is ready to sell. Now remember, you can also embed the checkout widget on any page or site the client already has if you don't want to use the done for you template. Also, we can click the button to share it on popular social media sites or copy the URL to begin using in product ads. When customers go to the page, they'll be able to learn about the product and pay with crypto fast and easy, and then get the product delivered instantly after the payment is confirmed, all without any work on your end. This is revolutionary. Also, know that Koincart allows you to integrate with the most popular autoresponders to start building your buyer list. Plus, it comes with detailed product reports and customer reports. Hit the product reports button to see visitors, sales, conversions, and more stats about the products you're selling. Export it to a CSV file and send to your small business client if needed to show them how well the product is selling. And view all your customers and their emails as well. Now, there's much more to what Koincart can do, but by now I think you get the picture. Crypto is here to stay, and it's only going to be getting more popular and more valuable in the coming months. And nothing helps small businesses break into the world of cryptocurrency more than Koincart does.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software Koincart. Have any problem, have any issues? You have no problem guys. They will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video tutorials inside of the members area of this software Koincart. The biggest agency opportunity in 20 years. This right now I'm in the sales space guys. I'm just quickly overview all the sales page information. Get results in 3 easy steps. Here as you can see the 3 easy steps. Phase are included. Last small business assets. Let small business asset accept cryptocurrency for products. Auto delivery and auto membership creation. Gorgeous drag and drop done for you site template and all those things you can see guys. This is the one-time investment, no monthly fees, a special early bird discount. Okay guys, I'm going to show you also all the OTOs and upsells. I'm just put the information here on my blog. You can also check out all of this, a link in my video description below. Cryptocurrency holds the key to not just keeping many small businesses afloat in these rocky times, including many brick and mortar stories. Okay guys, this is the crazy low price of this software. You know, 90% of business who accept crypto see big growth. Okay guys, here as you can see lots of info. Elon Musk says paper money is going away. Cryptocurrency bypasses currency controls. Paper money is going away and crypto is a far better way to transfer values than a piece of paper, that's for sure. Okay, says Elon Musk. And just warning, crypto can significantly increase its small biz revenue. Okay guys, do you have a small business? You need this software Koincart actually to get paid. Okay guys, and sell any type of product with gorgeous templates in one click. Look this. Okay guys, so if you want more revenue, if you want to change your business, and do you have growth of your business, you must need this Koincart. Here is also the demo is here. You can check out this demo. Some unique features never seen before in any app included. Here is the revolutionary cryptocurrency payments technology. Accept cryptocurrency, stable coins, and faith in the most ways possible. A Web3 style done for you sales templates. Okay guys, drag and drop face creation technology, product delivery and membership creation after payment, and organized by client, sell digital by physical products with crypto account, done for you cloud hosting and custom domain names, done for you crypto client. This is the new features guys, and even more features like fully cloud-based app, 24/7 support, done for you site hosting in app training, mobile friendly, initiative UI frequently. Okay, and lots of info is here. Also the Ben Mardi and Avi Devedi, the creator of this product, they will provide lots of bonuses. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Keep in mind, this is the one-time investment and this is the launching pre-order, that's why price is very low. You can see plus get this amazing launch day bonuses if you order today. Agency client booking system, crypto agency VIP webinar ticket, reseller rights to amazing agency players, reseller rights to local e-com site maker, and then for you a local video spokespeople, white label rights to 800k, then for you content articles. Okay, grab this is the great opportunity, guys. Okay, and you can see the starter and advanced plan of this software Koincart, and this is a $39 only and 100% legit. This is the JBjo product, guys. So you can purchase it. This is the creator Ben Mari and Avi Devidi. Also frequent asked questions is here. I think you have questioned and answer is you can see available here. Okay, and right now, guys, I'm just going to jump on my blog Passive Money University, and I'm going to show you all the upsells and downsells of this software Koincart, that no one can share this type of information with you. Okay, here is the Koincart pricing, guys. You can see for a limited time you can grab Koincart with early bird discount price in this option below. Let's pick the best suited options for you before this special offer is gone. The quarantine price only $37. They will provide a coupon code. Here you can see the $39. They will provide a $2 coupon code. That's why you can see the original price is $37. You can purchase it, and you can see all the pacers. If you purchase only front end offer, you will get all of this is here. Guys, check out all this information. Okay. Here is the OT number 1 gold edition $67. OT number 2 is SPY set up $197. Price is very low, guys, because the product is very high quality. And OT number 3 is platinum $197. OT number 4 is click agency special $47. OT number 5 click agency special $47. OT number 6 the ranker special $47. OT number 7 the refuter. This is the last OT of $47. The most of the OTOs are $47, guys. Okay. So I highly recommend if you want to send your business, you can purchase it, and this software will provide lots of opportunity to pay your product, pay you your customers. This software will give you lots of opportunity your customers. Okay, guys, I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Guys, I'm not good in English. I made a lot of mistake. That's why you can forgive me. Okay, I think you understand what actually this product and how actually works this product. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.